I see her cries, and when she said, so am I.